Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Amazon account. So I don't know, sometimes someone might be making a random purchase on it and then you kind of want to go ahead and log them out. So it's very easy to do this, to get rid of your Amazon account on here. Just go to account and profile, and then you can go to your account right here and go to deregister. Your Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K will be deregistered from your Amazon account. This will remove content from your device and many features will not work. So it's going to get rid of your email address and the credit card that's associated with it. And then someone's going to have to sign in with a different Amazon account to get everything to work. So you can do it that way. Now, if you're just trying to log out like a different profile or something like that, you can switch to a different profile right here. And Jim is signing in now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.